Hello and welcome to the Agency Solution from Agile Assets. I'm just going to show you today how to have an overview over the agency command and control and how to use the agency solution as an agency. So the first thing that you can see here after you log in is the command and control, and you can see your current plan and the details of your current plan. The second row that you go down, you can see your client spaces and you can see your agency team. So let's first add a client space. So once you add a client space here, you can add the brand name, for example, yeah, it's TikTok, and I'm gonna choose here the email of the client. So just for this is for demonstration, you can choose whatever you want. You can add the name of your client, and you can add their email, and they will receive an email to set up their account as a client. So once I click save here, I can see that the new client space is being added and I can just click on enter. So first of all, let's just have a look at the overview of the brand of the client space itself. Here you can see the package, you can see the status, and you can see the users of the client space, and you can see the posts that are created in the client space, and you can see the storage, the channels, and the calendars that are added to the client space. So this is a client space that we have in our agency, for example, and you can see all the details related to it. For a client space, you can do multiple things. So you can add a logo to your client, and you can deactivate the client space if you think that it should be deactivated for now, if you want to pause, or you want to put it on hold for some time. You can also altogether delete the client space. So, but once you delete the client space, you will not have access to it, and all the data that are in the client space will be deleted. So just be careful with it. Maybe better if you are not so sure, you can just deactivate the client space first to see what do you want to do with it. So I created a client space here called TikTok, and I'm going to enter this client space here. So when you click enter, you are having the view of the agency. So if you want at any time to come back to the agency overview, the command and control, you can click on here, or you can click on here to go to the overview, or you can click here, agency CNC command and control. Um, so you can just in the next video we are going to show you more information about how to use the client space. But for now, this is just how to enter the client space. Once you do this and you do whatever you want in here, you can just click here again, and you come back to the agency command and control. Another thing, that if you want to add an agency team member, so if you have a coworker in the agency and you want to add their account, you can just click here, add their full name, add their email, and they will receive an invitation to join your agency. Pretty much that's it, and see you in the next video.